Hi, my name is Shakil Ahmed. I'm a social media consultant. Today, we are going to talk about neobanking. Yes, you heard it right. You have heard it many times, right? But you're still a bit confused about what is neobanking at all. So, neobanking is a bank. It runs online and it's backed by technology, and it makes your life much more easier than the traditional banks. It's partnered with a lot of traditional banks, which is very reputed in the country. So that gives you a sense of security. But still, you're saying that okay, Shakil, this is an online account, right? So what happens if it gets hacked? So that is not possible because it's strong security. That is, it's secured by two-factor authentication. So even if your credential get compromised, still you are secure because without an OTP, nobody can log in. Let's talk about customer fees. The customer fees is drastically low in neobanks. Why? Because it doesn't need that kind of infrastructure and that kind of resource what a traditional bank needs. But the cherry on the cake is your expense management and your banking automation. So you have a lot of expenses, right? You have payroll. So you are a businessman. You have payroll. You have electricity bills. You have maintenance. You have a lot of things, a lot of expenses. So the accounting becomes very much monotonous. So here neobank plays a good role. So based on your own configuration, it marks your expenses accordingly and accounting becomes very easy. The accounting is fully automated. Also, as a businessman, we all face a lot of problems when we are doing international payments. There is too much to and fro with the traditional banks when right question is what is the difference between the traditional bank and neobanks, right? So, in the traditional banks, let's talk about account creation. We all know the hassles, what are the documents we need, and lot of documents and lot of time and effort goes into account creation in traditional banks. In new banks, it's just a matter of clicks and matter of 5 minutes. It's a simple KYC. You can open a bank account. So recently, I came across a new bank that is called Open Financial Technology. It's loaded with products. It's loaded with business solution. I can say that it's the first new bank which gives you a complete business solution to your business. So you have expense management, you have a credit card, you have a debit card, a card which can be used like both. You can top up or you can use it as a credit card as well. You can set the limit. So the credit card limit is decided by you. You can decide how much limit you want to spend. And also you can top up the card and you can use it as a prepaid card. Isn't that great? So I would request you to check out the Open Financial Technology and the services whatever they are providing. It's amazing. To know more about neobanks, please visit my blog and you will be able to understand more about neobanks.